Hey everyone, Thomas here at mgmclassiccars.com, and right now we're going to be going over this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle resto mod car, 136 car right out the gate. It's made to look like a super sport, but it's not. Okay, it's a resto mod setup, big block 4-speed, big rear end, which we're going to go over. But the paint is a candy pearl red paint on the car. It's got the American Racing wheels, front power disc, as you can see right there in the reflection, and it is a really, really nice paint job. Car came out of the West Coast. Look at that wheel. That's an 8-inch lip, okay, on that wheel, tucked, and yes, you got back seats. So that's been professionally done to give you that resto mod pro touring look. Beautiful car, like I said, excellent black vinyl top. It's been restored. I'm gonna say the restoration is 7 to 8 years old by just looking at it. Yeah, you can see the fuel pumps. Yep, you know what's underneath that. But anyway, continuing here, like I said, excellent chrome. All the bezels, the trim, the trunk. The trunk's nice, which I'll pop open and go over. The paint is just a mirror finish on it. And I honestly, if there are blemishes, I'm gonna show you, but I don't see any blemishes. All the stainless vinyl top is in good condition. Car's got slight tinted windows, nice door handles, dual sport mirrors, vented windows, nice weather stripping throughout. There's your antenna for your radio, and it's got a bad, big old radio in it. Front power disc, if I didn't mention that. Nice chrome, nice gaps on the hood, SS hood, as you can see there. Nice grille as well. And you see that? It's a California plate, so obviously you know where it came from. So continuing a little bit more into the car. Paint is really nice, guys. Check out these door jambs. Beautiful, nice door panels, factory power windows, okay? This has been perforated for the sound system. Pretty cool, pretty neat, pretty slick. Nice rockers, door sill plates. Outer jambs are nice. See how clean the car is? That's what I do here at MGM. Bucket seats, nice condition. There is a little wear right there, so I can just wanted to show you. GT steering wheel, you got tilt wheel. Here's all your controllers. Turn them all on for your fuel pump. Okay. Nice dash pad, no cracks. Weather stripping is nice. Headliner's nice. Package tray, it's all custom with the big old speakers in there. Let's check out the passenger side. And then we're gonna work our way to the engine and the trunk and a little bit underneath. Nice door jambs on the passenger side. Again, door panels, power windows, outer jambs, nice bucket seats, nice factory console with the clock there. Aftermarket gauges, custom stereo system, nice back seats. Very slick, very nice. Closes real nice as well. Ready for this? Okay. Custom fuel cell. There's your base, custom made, built. Your battery is right in here, okay? All the tin work is done professionally throughout the car. Oh, what is that? That's never been ran on the car. And check out where they put the amplifiers. The Alpine setup. Really freaking cool, guys. Great car. Take this to car shows. I mean, it's super fast. Why is it super fast? I'm gonna show you. All right. Let's see here. Pop the hood is right under here, right on top of this plate. Just pull it. Ready? Whew. Yeah. It's a 454 de-stroke to a 427 crank. Look at that dual carb setup underneath. MSD ignition, aluminum radiator, upgraded headers, power steering, power disc, fuel pressure regulator. Look at this beautiful car, guys. Man. But what you're not gonna see on a lot of these Chevelles is this paint. And look at the lights that are working underneath there. Is that 8-inch freaking wheel. Look at that lip, that 8-inch lip. Whew, man. Underneath is solid. Let's fire this thing up. All right, here we are in the big block Chevelle. So you got your fuel pump. Put all your other accessories on. Make sure it's in neutral. Let's listen to that exhaust. Wow. Man, this is a beast. Well, here we are, guys. Isn't that something? All right, your heat and defrost works, turn signals function, horn functions, wipers work, headlights function. So there it is, guys, gals, power windows. Just an awesome setup. And power locks. All right, guys, here we are once again, 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle custom resto mod, ready for a new home. You guys can call me or text me 847-848-1850 to get this bad boy into your garage. Take a look at this thing one more time on the stands. Okay. If you guys need financing, go to my websites. But before you do that, credit score's got to be about a 640 to a 700, and that's going to get you a loan with about 10% down. If your score is over 700, I get you done with no money down or with money down in a 15-minute approval, and we'll get this thing delivered right to your driveway. If you guys need delivery, call me, text me, email me. My number is 847-848-1850. I would love to take you guys out for a test drive, but the weather is sloppy here in December in Illinois, and this baby does not go anywhere. I will also have this thing polished before it gets delivered, disinfected before we put it on an enclosed trailer. I just have to push down on the hood a little bit right about here to get this to sit flush. It was sticking up a little bit in the video, so that looks a lot better. Yeah, enclosed trailer only. And guys, if you're gonna buy a car, shop around, do research on the dealership. We strive for honesty. We strive for good reviews. As you can see, my reviews are excellent. 100% seller on eBay. I take care of my clients, and I'll tell you everything about the cars, okay? I travel the country to look for these things, and I have a nice selection here at mgmclassiccars.com for you guys to look at. And the warehouse continues back over there and around. So be cautious who you're buying from. Make sure they're reputable. I've been doing this for over 20 plus years. I think I know what I'm doing. I'm not bragging, but I'm gonna deliver you a good product and you're gonna have fun. Get in the car, put gas, go, enjoy the family. Life is short. Enjoy your future investment, because that's what this is. You guys and gals seen the prices on all these beauties and how high they've gone in the last 10 years. They skyrocketed. So get something that's beautiful. Get something from a reputable dealer. Go to my website, check out all the photos at mgmclassiccars.com. I forgot to mention, it's got a huge 4-inch 9 rear end in it. Power steering, power brake, 427. It's a 454 with a 427 crank, D-stroked. This thing's a rocket ship, guys. It's beautiful, as you can see. So once again, call me, text me, email me at 847-848-1850. And listen, go to my Facebook page, type in MGM Classic Cars, click the like button, share it to your friends. Go on YouTube. Obviously, you're watching this on YouTube. Click the bottom right red button that says subscribe. That way, you're gonna get every video that I put out on these beauties. So you're up to date on everything. Once again, Thomas, mgmclassiccars.com. We'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Happy holidays.